Imagine you're on a business trip to Europe. You've just finished a successful meeting and need to access your funds. You head to the nearest ATM, only to find that it's not accepting your Tide card. Have you ever wondered if Tide Bank accepts euros? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the details and answer the burning question, can Tide Bank accept euros? Understanding Tide Bank. Before we get into the euro question, let's quickly recap what Tide Bank is. Tide is a digital banking platform designed specifically for freelancers, contractors, and small businesses. It offers a range of features, including business accounts, expense tracking, and invoicing. The euro question. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Can Tide Bank accept euros? While Tide is primarily a UK-based bank, it does have international capabilities. Here's what you need to know. Euro-denominated accounts. Tide offers euro-denominated accounts. This means you can open an account specifically for holding and transacting euros. International payments. You can easily make and receive international payments in euros using your Tide account. This is especially useful for businesses that deal with European clients or suppliers. ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw euros from ATMs worldwide. However, keep in mind that some ATMs may charge fees. Additional considerations. While Tide offers euro-denominated accounts and international payment capabilities, there are a few additional factors to consider. Exchange rates. When converting between euros and your local currency, Tide will apply an exchange rate. It's important to compare this rate to other providers to ensure you're getting a good deal. Fees. Tide may charge fees for certain transactions, such as international payments or currency conversions. Be sure to review their fee schedule before opening an account. Customer support. If you have any questions or encounter issues, Tide's customer support team can assist you. They are available to answer your queries and help resolve any problems. Practical tips. Here are a few practical tips to keep in mind when using Tide Bank for euro transactions. Plan ahead. If you know you'll be traveling to Europe, it's a good idea to open a euro-denominated account with Tide in advance. This will make it easier to manage your finances while abroad. Check ATM fees. Before withdrawing euros from an ATM, check for any fees that may be charged by the ATM operator or Tide Bank. Consider a travel card. For added convenience, you may want to consider using a travel card that offers favorable exchange rates and minimal fees. Stay informed. Keep up to date with Tide Bank's policies and any changes that may affect your euro transactions. In conclusion, Tide Bank does accept euros and offers a range of features to make international transactions easier. Whether you're traveling to Europe for business or pleasure, Tide can be a valuable tool for managing your finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.